Imagine yourself in this 2012 GMC Acadia SL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, automatic headlights, fog lamps, privacy glass and MP3 player. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.